Tesla, ether, and Harvy's physics, how are they connected? For more than a century, modern physics believed it had understood reality. It could describe the motion of planets, the bending of light, and the strange behavior of time itself. And yet, at the edge of knowledge, something began to fracture. Black holes turned into infinities. Equations lost physical meaning. Reality itself seemed to dissolve into paradox. This was not merely a failure of mathematics. It was a failure of interpretation, because physics had become extraordinarily good at describing effects, while slowly losing sight of causes. And then, from another direction, an older question returned, a question that had never truly disappeared. If space is empty, then what carries force? What carries gravity? What carries energy? What carries information across the structure of the universe? Long before gravitational wave detectors, long before the modern language of quantum fields, Nikola Tesla looked at reality and saw something different. He did not speak of emptiness. He did not speak of silent vacuum. He spoke of energy. He spoke of frequency. He spoke of vibration. And behind all of it, he believed there had to be a medium, not dead space, not nothingness, but a subtle, invisible carrier through which forces moved and reality remained connected. Tesla called it ether. Some traditions called it akasha, an unseen substrate, a hidden continuity, a medium through which the universe could transmit power, structure, and order. Then came Einstein, and with relativity, the ether was removed from physics. Space became geometry, time became relative. Gravity was no longer treated as something transmitted through a medium, but as the effect of curved space-time. It was one of the great revolutions in the history of science. But every revolution solves some problems and leaves others behind. Because once ether was removed, a deeper question remained unanswered. If there is no medium, then how is gravity transmitted? If there is no carrier, then what physically propagates? If nothing fills the apparent vacuum, then what gives continuity to interaction? The old ether was rejected, but the problem it was trying to solve never vanished. And this is where Harvy's physics enters the picture. Harvy does not simply revive the old ether of the 19th century. Instead, he proposes something more dynamic, more structured, and more precise. A network, Harvy's gravitational network, HGN. In this view, the universe is not empty. It is not a passive void between isolated objects. It is a connected, oscillatory structure through which gravity, energy, and information are transmitted.